After generating an order, it is recommended that you review the order prior to sending it to the supplier. This video will demonstrate how to review and, if required, edit the order. From the Stock Manager module, click Order Maintenance. Select the order that you wish to review and then click Change. In the order editing screen, all products on the order are listed. The icons in the first column and the text color give information about the product. Like most screens in Minfos, right-click to show the legend and check the meaning of the icons and colors shown. This can help you identify products that should be double-checked. For example, it is good practice to check for any products marked as not stocked to ensure that they should be on the order. Products that appear in pink are currently on promotion. Ensure you order the correct quantity of these items to receive the best discount. Products with info added to them will display the eye icon. To view the info or add info, select the product and click Info. You can view the stock on hand information of alternative generic brands when editing an order. To do so, highlight a drug and then click Generic. The generic drug listing window displays the alternative generics available. To add a drug from this window to your order, select the item and click OK. In the Order Detail window, enter the quantity you wish to order and click OK. The product will be added to your order. The columns in the order editing screen can be sorted in ascending or descending order. Check for anomalies, such as a very high quantity ordered, by sorting the quantity column in descending order. High-cost items or totals can also be easily identified by sorting the unit or totals column. The sales and purchase history is shown in a summary table for any product that is selected. To view this information in further detail, highlight the product and click either Sales or Purchases. To remove a product from the order, select the item and then click Delete. To edit the ordered quantity of a product, select the product and then click Change. Change the quantity in the Ordered Detail window and then click OK. Detailed supplier information for the product, such as minimum order quantities, can be viewed by selecting a product and then clicking Supplier. You can also make a change directly to a stock card from the order editing window. Select the item and click Stock Card. This is useful to view details or make quick corrections, such as changing a stocked flag, without having to navigate away from the order editing screen. To add a product to the order, click Add. Search for the product, select the product, and enter the quantity you would like to order. Then click OK. Click Cancel to return to the order editing window. When you are finished reviewing the order, click OK to close the order and return to the order maintenance window. Refer to the Minfos Help Centre and other videos in this series to learn more about the ordering process in Minfos.